Students, in previous video I discussed about the clause and noun clause. I hope so you are familiar about it. Now it's time to do this exercise. First we have noun clause. Noun clause serve as a subject or an object, and it always begin with the following words such as how, that, what, whatever, when, where, which, who, whom, why, whoever, whose, or why. So these are the starting words that can be in the start of the sentence. Here we have some sentences. We have to pick out noun clause in each sentence. First one is I often wonder how you are getting on. Here, how you are getting on, this is a noun clause. What is the reason behind this? Because it is starting from how and it has after you. You is a subject, and after subject you are describing about the subject. So that's why this is noun clause. Next is she replied that she would come. Again you have that in the start, and next word is a subject or she, and you are talking about she would come, about you are telling about the subject. So that's why this is again noun clause. I went to see what had happened. Now what had happened is a noun clause, because what is a starting point of noun clause and what had happened is a noun clause. Next we have he noticed that the clock had stopped. That the clock had stopped. This is noun clause. And at the end, he could not decide whom he should address first. Whom he should address first. This is noun clause because it is starting from whom and after subject, and you are describing about the subject. This whole clause is of noun clause. So this is the recognition of noun clause. I hope so everything is clear here. If any question pop out in your mind, you can ask.